February 25th, 2026, bodycam footage from local police shows the terrifying moment a routine domestic call in a residential backyard turns into a deadly standoff. Officers were tracking a suspect's phone location.
The location on her phone for his phone says he might be in the backyard somewhere.
All I got was wind with the location.
Behind you. Hey, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
I got right down the nail.
Drop the knife!
Stand by to get exact location. That's what I'm afraid.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
In between the highway and the residence.
Drop the knife! Put it down!
Give him the air! He's not dropping the knife!
Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down now!
Despite multiple lawful commands, the suspect, identified as Craig, refuses to disarm. Officers deploy a taser, but it fails to subdue him. The situation quickly escalates as Craig begins to retreat towards the garage, forcing officers into a tight, highly dangerous bottleneck.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Taser, taser! Drop the knife!
He's still up right outside.
Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Hey, house. House. Don't go in the house. He's in the garage right now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. I don't see a knife. I don't see a knife. Drop the knife. Stop. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Following the officer-involved shooting, officers immediately began providing life-saving assistance until paramedics arrived. The suspect was later transported to the hospital, where he died. Per department policy, the officers involved have been placed on administrative leave, and the entire incident is now under investigation by the relevant authorities.